How can I recover deleted or hidden text messages from my iPhone?
Hello viewers. Today we're tackling a topic that many of you have asked about: how to recover deleted or hidden text messages from your iPhone. Maybe you've accidentally deleted an important message, or perhaps you've hidden some texts and can't remember how to bring them back. Either way, we've got you covered.
Understanding how deletion works on iPhone.
First, it's essential to understand how deletion works on an iPhone. When you delete a text message, it's not immediately wiped from your phone. Instead, it's placed into a sort of recycling bin, where it will be permanently erased after 30 days.
Can you recover texts directly on the iPhone?
So, the big question: can you recover deleted text messages directly on the iPhone? Unfortunately, the short answer is no. Unlike some other types of files, text messages don't have a trash or recently deleted folder you can just pull them out of. So we have to use other methods, which involve either iCloud or iTunes backups.
Recovering texts via iCloud.
If your iPhone is set to backup to iCloud, and you've done a backup before the message was deleted, you can recover the text. Here are the steps. 1. Go to Settings on your iPhone. 2. Tap on your name at the top, then tap on iCloud. 3. Under iCloud Backup, check the date of the last backup. If it was made before the deletion of your text message, proceed to the next step. 4. Now you'll need to reset your iPhone to factory settings. Go to Settings, General, Reset, Erase all content and settings. Remember to back up any important data before doing this, as it will delete everything on your phone. 5. Once the phone is reset, you'll go through the setup process. When you get to the Apps and Data screen, select Restore from iCloud Backup. 6. Choose the backup that was made before your text message was deleted.
Recovering texts via iTunes.
If you've backed up your iPhone to iTunes, you can also use these backups to recover deleted texts. Here's how. 1. Connect your iPhone to your computer where the iTunes backup is stored. 2. Open iTunes, select your iPhone and click Restore Backup. 3. Choose the backup that was made before your text message was deleted. 4. Click Restore and wait for the process to complete.
What if I don't have a backup?
If you didn't have a backup made before the text message was deleted, things become more complicated. There are third-party software solutions available that claim to be able to recover deleted texts from your iPhone, but they can be pricey, and there's no guarantee they'll work. And there you have it. Now you know how to recover deleted or hidden text messages on your iPhone using iCloud or iTunes backups. Remember, the best prevention for losing important text messages in the future is to regularly back up your iPhone. We hope this video was helpful, and we're always here to answer your tech questions. Thanks for watching.